In this video, I'll show you how to automate task ownership in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where tasks are assigned. Task ownership automations help ensure every task is automatically assigned to the right person as it moves through your workflow. Once you're inside the board, click the Automate button near the top of the screen. Then go to the Create tab. This opens the Automation Center where you can browse hundreds of pre-built automation recipes. In the search bar, type Assign or Owner. You'll see several automation options related to assigning people automatically. A common example is when status changes to something, assign someone as assignee. Click on the recipe you want to use. Next, configure the trigger condition. For example, when a task changes to pending approval, you may want it automatically assigned to a manager for approval. Or when a task moves to design, you may want it assigned to a specific designer. Then choose the person who should automatically become the owner. Once everything looks correct, click Create Automation. The automation will now appear in your active automations list. To test it, update an item status to the trigger value you selected. You should see the people column automatically update with the assigned owner. If it doesn't show immediately, refresh your browser so it shows. This reduces manual assignment work, improves accountability, and ensures tasks never unsigned. This reduces manual assignment work, improves accountability, and ensures tasks never sit unassigned during important workflow transitions. And that's how to automate task ownership in Monday.com.